Vegan means healthy. That's what we've been told, that anything plant-based is better for you, for the planet, and for your body. But what if that label, vegan, has become more of a marketing tool than a guarantee of nourishment? In this video, we're pulling back the label to expose the truth behind factory-made vegan food. From chemical additives to nutrient gaps, ultra-processing to fake meat formulas, we'll explore how food that claims to be clean and healthy is often anything but. This isn't about attacking ethical choices, it's about asking one question: is it really food? Let's begin. The word vegan sounds clean, responsible, natural, but walk down the health aisle at your supermarket and start reading the labels. What you'll see is that most vegan products are ultra-processed, chemical-laced, and manufactured to mimic real food. Fake meats made from soy protein, isolate. Vegan cheese made with starch, gums, seed oils, and synthetic vitamins. Snacks that contain no vegetables, no real whole grains, no complete proteins. They're engineered to taste like food, feel like food, trick your senses, but your body knows the difference. This isn't about judging veganism. It's about questioning if what we're eating is actually nourishing us, or just wearing a healthy disguise. Let's zoom in on one of the most popular items, vegan meat. Turn the package over and what do you see? Soy protein isolate, textured pea. Protein, canola or sunflower oil, methyl cellulose. Natural flavors, yeast extract. These aren't ingredients you'd use at home. They come from factories, not farms. Soy protein isolate is stripped and refined. Methyl cellulose is used in construction materials. Natural flavors, a blanket term for hundreds of undisclosed chemicals. It looks like a burger, but it's not food, it's chemistry. And while it may be marketed as sustainable and smart, the body isn't fooled by branding. It needs real nutrients, not imitations. Next, let's talk about all those healthy vegan snacks, desserts, and meal replacements. They often contain carrageenan, linked to gut inflammation, gums and thickeners, disrupt digestion, maltodextrin, spikes blood sugar, artificial colorants and flavors, potassium, sorbate, and preservatives. These ingredients are used to create texture, shelf life, and consistency, not health. In fact, most of these compounds are there to make fake food taste real, to hide the fact that what you're eating is a product, not a meal. And the worst part? These additives are often eaten daily, not once in a while, every single day. Let's compare two meals. Meal 1, a vegan burger, seed oil fries, and a plant-based shake. Meal 2, grass-fed beef, sautéed vegetables in butter, and a handful of berries. Meal 1 sounds healthy, but it's packed with refined carbs, lab-made fats, and nearly no bioavailable nutrients. Meal 2 contains hemi-iron, absorbed better than plant-based iron, vitamin B12, essential for brain and energy, zinc, choline, DHA, CLA, and healthy fats. Real food provides real nutrition. Factory food provides shelf life and profit. Whether you eat meat or not, the body needs nutrient-dense fuel. And most vegan products just don't deliver. This entire series isn't anti-vegan, it's anti-fake food. You can eat a healthy vegan diet based on real vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, and seeds, whole grains. But when that diet is based on lab patties, artificial cheese, and synthetic milk alternatives, that's not a health choice, that's marketing. We're not saying you have to eat meat, we're saying you should eat food, real, whole, nutrient-rich food from the earth. Here's the deeper truth. To sustain life, you must eat things that have been alive. Your body is made of living tissue, it needs living nutrients. A steak, a beet, an egg, a carrot, a wild-caught fish, a fresh tomato. These carry the spark of life. They rot, they degrade, they grow from soil or swim in water. Lab-made food doesn't have life, it has shelf stability. It was never alive, and it can't bring your body back to life either. Real food feeds real life. It nourishes the brain, repairs the gut, fuels the organs, sustains your energy. So whether you eat animal products or not, your food should be recognizable, natural, and nutrient-dense, because life comes from life. Thanks for watching. If this challenged your perspective, share it. Like, comment, and follow for more truth-centered, faceless wellness. No labels, no lies, just real food. See you in the next one.